Welcome back to Step Into Fear. My name is Aries, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make women laugh. First, I'm going to start by showing you a clip of when I was doing an in-person boot camp with my students of how I made a group of women bust out laughing.
Really?
Are y'all getting it on camera?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
What do you guys need to do?
Huh?
What do you need to do?
We're actually approaching girls, so y'all did the job for us on this one.
Yeah, y'all came up to us.
Did I say something like extremely funny, like something like a comedian would think of and it was a crazy punchline? No, it wasn't. It was just a simple statement. So how does this make sense? Why were they busting out laughing and having such a fun time when I didn't even say anything funny? It's the same thing like if you see a girl who's like laughs at everything this guy says, it's because she's just very reactive to him. That's all that it means. When a woman is reactive to you, this means she pretty much just is very concerned with your perception of her, of what you do, what you say. She's always gonna find a way to laugh at something that you say or do because she's just in this state of reaction to you. So now the question is, how do you become the type of guy that makes women reactive to you? Well, there's a lot of different things that could go into it that I could make a long video about, but I'm gonna try to simplify it as much as I can. I was simply just saying and doing what I wanted, and I did not care about how they would perceive me. When most guys talk to women, they're not talking to them from a place of just saying what they want, doing what they want, being proactive. They're doing it from a place of trying to get something from her. So they're actually talking to her from a place of being reactionary. By the way, guys, if you're liking what you're hearing, be sure to like and subscribe because I got a lot of bangers on this channel and I'm only gonna get more consistent with the videos that I put out, so be sure to subscribe. That is a very attractive trait, the ability to just own whatever it is that you want to say and fully mean it and not care how they perceive you. Because what would most guys do in that situation if they're literally going out to film approaching women? They're probably gonna try to say something that makes it not sound bad. Because as you know, because of cancel culture and the feminist woke movement and all this stuff, guys are terrified to approach women. And you have me coming in there owning the fact that we're approaching women and we're filming it. It's very attractive because they can tell, okay, this guy, he just says what he wants. He just does what he wants. He's super grounded. He doesn't care how we perceive him. That's very attractive because I'm not trying to take anything from them. I don't need their validation or approval like most guys do. I've said this before, good game is having that giving energy instead of having that taking energy. Because most guys, when they approach women, they're coming from this place of needing validation, needing sex, needing something from the girl in order to make them feel good. That's why I'm a huge advocate for getting the internal things handled so that when you approach women, you draw them in very easily because you don't need anything from them. You're coming from a place of just pure giving. And guys, if you're someone who actually wants to take your dating life, social skills, confidence to just another level and way beyond the average guy, be sure to just book a free 20-minute chat with me down below. This is just so I can see if you would be a good fit for my coaching because I don't work with just anybody. I want guys who are actually serious and are actually action takers. I'm also building a really solid community of guys. We're all in this really exclusive group. We hop on weekly group calls. So if that's something you feel like you want to join, you want to be around like-minded individuals that are all crushing it, be sure to book a free 20-minute chat with me down below so I can see if you would be a good fit for the Brotherhood. That's it for this video. I hope you took some value and I will see you in the next one.
We're gonna what?
We're gonna make a baby.
Even though I've never met you.
Yes, we're gonna do it.
Why are you so confident?